fan, you are familiar with them, although this is the first time, despite many attempts in the past.
Many attempts.
That they are here as a tag team. Chris Sabin, last seen in AIW in a six-way scramble, fitting enough, and make them say, back in April of 2015. Alex Shelley was last seen at Thunder in Indianapolis, October of 2020, in a three-way with Trey Lamar and Lee Moriarty.
Who can forget the classic Alex Shelley, Lee Moriarty?
Indeed, during that time of Alex Shelley's run here in AIW back in 2019, he founded what he referred to as the Alex Shelley Art Collective.